sometimes you'll want to do a mass import of users from, say, Sims or CMIS, and you won't want to use a single sign-on service. So you'll just want to, export the users to an Excel spreadsheet and then copy them from the Excel spreadsheet to Primary Blogger. So I'm just going to show you the best way of doing that. Yep, and we'll go from there. So first things first is we're going to create the username format. Now to do that, we're going to use the left function, so equals left. Then the first character from there will give us first letter of the first name, and then the surname, so and b2, so that we're going to use that as our username. So we just did that by equals left, open brackets, A1, which is the first cell, first character of first cell, close that bracket, and B1. So really that's just giving us a username. Then we're going to put a pipe in, so we press shift and backslash, and that'll give us a pipe. Then we're going to put in first name, last name, so that it will be equals John space and A2. So you see here that it's not put a space in, and even if I do that, there's no space. And what I really want is first name space surname. Now for child protection reasons, you may want to do these in a different way. So say for example, you want their display name to be something random. You could put that random string in here, or whatever. So for this instance now though, we're going to just do equals A1 space and then speech mark space speech mark and A2. Okay, so that's given us first name and surname, and I drag that down to fill all. There we've got all the first name and surnames. Then we're going to put another pipe in by shift backspace, and then we're going to do the email address, which is equals jsmith and then at demoprimaryschool.com. So that's given us the email address. So you can see here that we now have the username, the first name, last name, and the email address. We then copy this information and we load Primary Blogger. Now I'm just going to bring out of there, open a new window. Just bear me 1 sec. Okay, so we're going to go to the demo website, so demo Primary Blogger, and go to the admin section. Okay, and you'll see under plugins, you want to activate Dagon Design Import Users. Okay, and then once you've done that, under Tools, you want to click DD Import Users, and then you'll get this page. And basically what we're doing is we're just going back to our spreadsheet, we copy, and then we paste into there, and then click Import Users. Now you'll see that we've got an error whilst doing that. So as you probably saw, the input that we did then failed, and the reason that the input fails is because these details here are the username has capitals. So what we need to do is put a lower function in and wrap that around. So we do lower and then open the brackets and then do left, and what that does is it just drops the user name to lowercase. So we do that, copy those details, go back to our DD import users, and then paste that in. We then hit import users, and you'll see there that it'll import the users. If we go back to users and then just click on that, you'll see here that these users are now in there with the correct email address, and they'll receive an email to let them know their password as well. It gets automatically sent out. So that should be everything you need. What I will say is, if the kids don't have their own email address, you can use the Google trick by putting an and on there. If you get stuck, just ask me and I'll send you through some details on that. But I would say that we recommend that schools use primary email if they're going to be giving out kids individual blog accounts. So enjoy. And if you have any problems at all, or you don't feel confident enough to do this, then get in touch and we'll be able to help out. Thanks.